Hi, my name's Joey. Joey from up north. Tell you that much, hey, you're a kid. Yep, me. That's my stomach growling over there. Tell you now, hey. Tug out the side of my mouth. Don't like tug it out from the front. I like tug it out the side of my mouth. It's great, it's great, it's great, I tell you. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you nice. Yeah, like Bruce Forsyth, you know, I tell you. Hey. Oh. Bloody great, I tell you, I just don't know what to do. Should I go to sleep? Can I keep talking? Just don't know. Just don't know. Look at me. Do I look like a dog? Do I look like a silly dog? My name's not Joey. My name's Bruce. Bruce. Just Bruce. Can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Talking out the side of my mouth all the time. Hey, when the northerners come, the southerners run. It's true. It's true. Yep. I know. What should I do now? Anyway, look, my nose is twitching. My nose is twitching. My name's Joey Bruce, aka, yep, the dog, Jack Russell. So, goodbye. See ya. Bye. Go away. Stop filming. Bloody buggers. Naff off!